What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen rotation not working issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the screen rotation issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps and then tap on this 3 dot more option on the top right corner. Now tap on other settings and here tap on reset app preferences. Now from the pop-up tap on reset apps. So when you will tap on this reset apps option here, it will reset the app preferences of all the apps in your phone. And after resetting the app preferences, the screen rotation issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen rotation issue on Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.